Hello children, I am Nitendra Kumar Rajput. I welcome you on my spoken English channel Spoken English 365. Today we are going to read a wonderful story Little Tiger Big Tiger of class 3rd NCERT. So let's start. Do you know children, tiger is our national animal. Once upon a time there was a mother tiger and her small tiger cub. The cub means tiger's child is called cub. So there was a mother tiger and her small tiger cub. So in this picture you can see mother tiger. This is mother tiger and her small tiger cub. Small tiger cub. So child of a tiger is called cub. Just like dog's child is called puppy. They lived near a river in a shady jungle. So both mother tiger and baby tiger both lived in a jungle, shady jungle. When the sky was dark, and the mother tiger hunted for deer and pig. The tiger cub means little tiger, baby tiger stayed close by his mother. You can see when the mother tiger was going for hunting, the little baby tiger, baby cub used to close by her mother. In this picture you can see very well. When the langur monkey saw her, he called a loud, harsh call. Watch out, a tiger is coming. Watch out, a tiger is coming. The sambar deer bellowed. Bellowed means loud cry of animal. They start bellowing. The kakkar deer barked. Barked means to just barking like a dog. And sometimes the game got over. The game got over means that mother tiger could not hunt even a single animal. She hunted then when she could not hunt any deer or any other when the mother tiger was not able to hunt animal like sambar deer, so she she hunted then for jungle fowl, for pheasant and for frog. She used to hunt for some other animal or went to the river for fish, but she did not hunt every night. But she did not hunt every night. If the moon was bright, the mother tiger lay down. When the moon was bright, she could not hunt animals because other animals could see mother tiger very easily. So when the moon was bright, the mother tiger lay down and waited for the dawn. Dawn means the time, dawn means the light before sun rising. The little light that we see before sun rising is called dawn. She twisted she twisted the tip of her tail. When twitch means to move slowly, gently her tail over her little baby cub. And the tiger cub pounced. Pounce means jumping on her tail again and again. If he went too far away, he means baby cub. When the baby cub went too far away, the mother tiger called him with a low, quiet grunt. Just like when you go away from your home, your mother calls, "Where are you? Come back to your home." The tiger cub came back, but he did not like to stay near his mother in the jungle at night. But she was not inside. But she was not inside. Instead, he saw a tiger bigger than his mother near him. One day, what happened? The baby cub saw a big tiger near him in the jungle. The tiger's green eyed, you can see the green eyed of the tiger, glistened, was brightening, was shining. As he watched the tiger cub, the tiger cub was frightened. He was very afraid because he saw a big tiger bigger than his mother. Bigger than his mother, he could not hide or run. He let the frog hop away. The tiger crept up close to the little tiger. The tiger was coming close to the tiger cub, but a roar filled the jungle. But every animal of the jungle, they heard a roar. Roar means the sound of the tiger, the roar of the mother tiger. Everyone heard the roar of the mother tiger. She faced the other tiger. Mother tiger faced the other tiger and he went away. The other tiger went away, ran away from that place. The mother tiger liked to roar, a loud, big tiger roar, to tell all the other animals in the jungle that she was there. All the other animals in the jungle kept for. Means she started roaring. The mother tiger started roaring to remind other animals that she is there to take care of her baby. The tiger cub also liked to rear. When tiger the tiger cub also wanted to roar like his mother. A loud tiger cub roared, tell to all other animals that in the jungle that he was there. But when the tiger cub started roaring, but all the other animals in the jungle went not afraid. No one was afraid of baby cub's roar at all, and none of them ran away. And when the baby cub started roaring, no other animals started running away. But there came a year. Well, after some time, when the small tiger cub was a full grown tiger, he walked for miles alone. He used to walk. He started walking alone for miles, hunting for game. Game means his prey, like deer and other animals at night. When he roared to tell all the other animals in the jungle that he was there, all the other animals in the jungle kept far away. When this little baby cub grown grown up and he started roaring, all the other animals used to run away. Whenever they used to heard, whenever they used to hear the roar of animal, roar of this baby cub.
On some new words. The first word here is bellowed. Please listen. I have used this sound during the video also. Yes, bellowed means to shout or a loud cry. The deer bellowed loudly, seeing the tiger. The second word for you is shady, meaning full of shade. Sentence: the children played under the shady tree. The next word is twitched. You can see the picture. Watch the picture. The rabbit is twitching its nose. You can twitch your lips. Or you can twitch your fingers. There's another interesting picture here. Yes, you can see the cat twitching its tail. So what is the meaning? It means a short movement. The cat twitched its tail slowly. The next word, as promised to you, the fourth word is pounced. Watch the picture, the twitching the tail and then the pounce. Twitching, twitching, twitching and pounce. So what is the meaning of pounce? Means to jump. Another picture for you. So Pooh. I have introduced this character Pooh. Yes, Pooh is the character by, yes, A.E. Milne. The poet of which poem? Exactly. Yes. So you have seen how the tiger has pounced on the balloon. So you've understood what is the meaning? It means to jump. The sentence, the cats pounced on each other. Thank you. Hope this video was interesting and you have liked it. Stay safe, stay healthy. Bye children.